Hi, good afternoon, you guys. Welcome back to the channel, The Goddess Style. I'm Ernie Rosa Crow, the Goddess Coach, the Goddess Mom, the Goddess Therapist. Today I'm back with my Funky Friday. Now I'm filming in the hottest part of this summer sun right now, so I'm a little, well, excuse me if I'm a little bit overexposed at times, and then the sun is now bloody hiding away, isn't it? Anyway, so today we are back after a big break, a big hiatus for Christmas and New Year. I think we need a little exercise, a little jiggy boogie boogie. Have you guys had a lot to eat for Christmas and for New Year? So I'm sure you're feeling a bit sluggish right now. It's time to get back to being active and feeling fabulous again, whatever your body shape and size is. So today I'm coming back with another technique called the hip twist. Like your parents used to do in the 50s and the 60s. Anyway, the hip twist is great to take care of your muffin top again, but at the same time it helps to lengthen your spine and lengthen your your core in front of you right here, and at the same time that's what it does. Actually it also strengthens your calves, because I'm going to be showing you in a minute what it does. But actually, really, everything about the Belly Goddess Dance Therapy works everything in your fabulous body. So let's get on with the program. So, as usual, we always start by holding the posture correctly. So remember to tuck in your pelvis. All right, that means you automatically will have your little, my mummy tummy is automatically squeezed in nicely without sucking in, right? And then keeping your sternum up, your chest up, shoulders back and relax, okay? Now, the hip twist depends on you twisting your hip away from your chest. So this is what it looks like from the side, twist. All right, from this side, twist, twist, twist. So the normal twist is like this, right? Just side to side, okay? So it is the normal twist, side to side. But the belly dance therapy hip twist depends on you lifting your hip up and kind of like an arch, okay? So what you need to do is, I'm going to stand back a little bit. You need to put your knees up. So you're going to be on your tippy toe, like in ballet, the bar work is on your demi point, okay? Demi point means your toes are not like this, but your toes are like this, okay? So I'm sorry I can't move the camera far back enough for you, otherwise I can't see myself filming. So it's going to be like this, right? So at the same time, this is what I meant by you are working your calves, because when you're doing this, you are working your calf muscles. I just realized I'm wearing my slippers. I normally dance bare feet, and I'm wearing my fluffy slippers. Anyway, so you're gonna be pushing your knees forward, okay? Your supporting leg, okay? So assuming this is your right leg, your supporting leg will be slightly, your knees will be locked in, and yours legs nice and straight. You're going to be feeling the squeeze in your gluteal muscles. Your bum will be nice and tight, okay? So with your knee, move forward, right? And all your weight is on your other leg. You are going to lift your hip up, and you're going to twist. Twist and lift. Lift and twist. Lift and twist. Lift and twist. So my toes will always stay demi point. All right, it doesn't move anywhere. My knee stays bent. Okay, from this side, I'm going to show you. Lift and twist. Lift and twist. Lift and twist. So the shoulder that my hip is on that's moving will be moving slightly back, as you can see here again, slightly back. Maybe from this side, I'm going to change leg. Now I'm going to use my left leg, your right leg. You're going to be, again, put your knee forward, toes demi point, twist, twist and lift and twist, lift and twist, lift and twist. Now that's position number 1. So where your toes are, your foot's together, and one is demi point next to the other foot. Position number 2 is where your foot is just, okay, one over in front of the other, and then you're going to put it demi point. It's gonna be like this. Okay, this is position 1. 1 foot forward, and you're gonna twist. Now, this position changes the shape of your body, okay? So if this is position 1, twist. This is position 2, twist. You can see you're gonna be working your left buttocks or your opposite buttocks a little bit more, and you are gonna be doing a lot more twist. You're gonna feel a lot more muscles being worked. So the further your foot is, and the stronger your core has to be to make sure you don't tip over, okay? So position number 2. So 1, 2. The other leg. 1 and 2. Again, 1 and 2. Other foot. 1 and 2. So as you can see, slow motion 1, position 2, 2. From the side, position 1, position 2. Okay? The other side, position 1, 1 foot forward, step forward, and position 2. Go fast. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? We're not done yet. The third position, you're gonna take 1.5 step forward. Okay, I'm gonna go like this. So, position 1, position 2, position 3 is already 1.5 step forward. Again, bend your knee, okay? Push your knee forward, hands on the side, sternum forward, shoulders back, keeping your spine nice and long. You know, front your core, yeah, your belly muscles nice and long. You are going now to twist, and your shoulders gonna go slightly back. Twist, twist, twist. Now position 3 will make the supporting leg work very hard, extra hard even, okay? So from this other side, so again, position 1, position 2, position 3. So you can see here, 1, 2, 3. Okay? One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On position 3. Other leg, position 3. For a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. That is your hip twist. Twist, twist. Okay? Close up. Position 1, position 2, position 3. One more time. Position 1, position 2, position 3. There we go. Hip twist, 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 twist. This is great to get rid of this muffin top. I thought it was going to be a bit cold. It was very windy today, even though the sun is shining, so I had to wear double top. So you can't really see my body as well, but I hope you can see. This is position 1, position 2, and position 3. With position number 3, if you want to make it a little bit more cheeky, a little bit more sexy, a bit more sensual, that's what you can do. Position 3, instead of just doing slight twists with your, remember to keep your sternum up, your shoulders back, you can twist your body a little bit more like this, right? And twist, and you will drop lower and lower and lower. So there you go, hip twist to get your 2019 to a twisting tornado beginning. Try it today and tell me what you think. Of course, as usual, at the end of this video, I'll be doing a little song and I'm going to show you the movement in motion. I hope you enjoy your day. Don't forget to click like on this video. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Mwah. I will love you forever for that. And if you enjoy this, share this with your girlfriend, your grandmother, your mums, your aunties, your best friend, your whatever the sexual orientation is. If they enjoy dancing, they're gonna like this, boogie, boogie, boogie. And if you haven't already, subscribe. And I will love you forever. See you at the end of this video.